What's up guys, so I'm here in Tobago coming to review the beautiful Eagle Base Villa up in the hills behind Mount Irvine. Now I'm starting my journey in a lovely cafe called Dreamsicle where I often come for breakfast and lunch to have my coffee, etc. And this is a good starting point for me to show you the directions as well as the amenities and different stops along the way before you actually reach to the villa itself, as it's a little bit secluded. Make sure and check out Dreamsicle when you do come to Tobago, a great place to start your day. And then we'll move on up to the villa and I'll show you everything that's going on up there right then. So check it out and enjoy watching me eat my delicious breakfast. So we finally arrived at the beautiful Eagle Base Villa. So as you can see from where I pulled up there, there's an electric gate that of course you get a control for once you arrive, and when you're leaving you don't even need the control. It senses the car and it opens the gate automatically from the inside. So as we walk through, starting from here, there's two main parts to the villa. There's the main villa, which is a large villa that holds many people, and then off to the side there's something called the Honeymoon Suite. So we'll check them out separately. Let's go and check out the large villa first and see what they have to offer. One of the first things as I walk in up into this beautiful villa here is the amount of birds and nature songs you're hearing as you walk into the property. I'm hearing cocoricos, which are the national bird of Tobago, and it's just very lush and green with coconut trees, a lot of sprawling garden, so very ideal for like little garden walks and stuff in the mornings and the evenings with your tea or coffee. That's a big plus right off the bat to me. And then of course, as you've seen, there's handicap access made for like wheelchairs and that kind of stuff, as well as a staircase to come up into the actual property itself. And from there it immediately comes out onto this beautiful sprawling deck with an infinity pool overlooking all of Scarborough and down to Tobago plantations and that kind of stuff. So I can only imagine this place makes for an amazing sunset. Truly impressed right off the bat. You also take note that when I'm walking around, you see there's a lot of tables, a lot of chairs, a lot of place for lying and sitting. So the main villa is truly set up to host quite large groups of people. Really spectacular and beautiful. Even though it rained quite a lot last night and into this morning, which is why I pushed aside some of the cushions and stuff from the chairs as to not get it wet, it still is a truly beautiful setup and one that could really provide great comfort to families and large groups coming looking for a vacation and a get-together here. Let me take you on the inside and let's do a full walk through the house. So I'm here in the kitchen. As you can see, it's a large kitchen, again, because it's designed to hold a lot of people if needed. The villa has 6 rooms, fully outfitted with bathrooms, very comfortable. One or two of the rooms, as you'll see when I walk through, also has like bunks and stuff for people with kids. The kitchen has all amenities as well as a laundry area, a big freezer, everything you need for cooking and cleaning, etc. Of course, you'll have to walk with your own groceries and food. But outside of that, I can't see anything that you'll be wanting from blenders to coffee makers to everything you could possibly need. So the kitchen is fully set to go and you're good from here. Now let's take a walk through the rooms and see what else we got there. So I've shown you the bedrooms, but one of my favorite parts I've left for last. You can see behind me here, this large living room area. So let me show you that now and what details really bring it to life for me. As you're looking around, you'll see that there's surfboards on the wall. It's laden with art all over this place. There's a big dining room table for families to sit and eat together, as well as numerous chairs and couches just to relax, play some cards, and you'll even notice that there's a TV above the entrance to the living room, which I've actually been watching a lot of World Cup football as it's going on right now. And I thought that was a really nice, convenient touch for like the Lyman situation in a place like this. The fact that you could be cooking right there in the kitchen, have everybody, the kids or your friends around, having a nice lime, as well as some TV running in the background if there's important sports or things to be watching at that point. I think that's a nice thing to have to make this villa even that much more comfortable. So I really hope you guys enjoy the main villa. I mean, it is really, really nice, no doubt about it. Let's take a little walk across the car park to the Honeymoon Suite and see what that looks like for people or couples that may be looking to rent that aspect of it. So we're here at the Honeymoon Suite for obviously couples or people looking just for a smaller place to rent. And as you'll see behind me before we even go inside, I'm all about that hammock life. And then even up in the roof here, there's surfboards and different things that can be utilized by the guests if you want to take it down to the beach and stuff. You just need to confirm with the owners and the people doing the rentals what you'll be using and how they go about that business. But a nice little touch to have it there available in the first place, and I thought that was pretty cool. So I'm switching over to the GoPro because, you know, rainy weather might as well be wet just like the entire world, right? So I'm gonna go in the pool. And I can tell you that it's quite cold already. But you know what? You gotta go in and it gets warm hopefully quite quickly. Oh, cool. Yes. I mean, really quite nice to be honest. They have a nice little fountain flowing here, and as you'll see later on in the day, the pool lights up quite nicely in the night time as well too. But really beautiful, and I love the infinity that you feel like you could just almost fall off the edge here. So I've shown you the entire property. I hope you really enjoyed it. So you're asking yourself, Alan, how do I go about renting this? What are the costs and everything? So let me give you the entire rundown now. Of course, for rentals and all the information, check the description below this video. There'll be links to their websites, their Airbnbs and everything like that. Always try to book places like this well in advance because of course they're popular well in advance from people looking to secure their spots. So be on top of it and book early if you know you want to secure your place here in Tobago at Base Villa or even for the Honeymoon Suite. The villa is $600 US a night or 4,200 TT for the first 12 person, 25 US per person after that, or 175 TT for each additional person. The villa could hold a maximum of 22 persons, but I would say maybe more around 12 to 16 very comfortably in terms of the room layout that I have seen here. A 50% down payment is required to secure your booking dates. There's an additional 1 night refundable damage deposit that's refunded 1 week after you check out to make sure nothing was damaged or misplaced on the property itself. All payments are non-refundable and dates are non-transferable once you do lock in your booking. So please keep that in mind when you do decide to make a visit to this place here. All amenities are included: pool, Wi-Fi cable, smart TVs, barbecue grill, fully equipped kitchen, dryer, washer, AC in the bedrooms, and all ensuite bathrooms. There's even a lot of fruit trees in the garden that when in season, you're more than welcome to help yourself to mangoes and fruits and oranges and different things for picking. Well guys, that's it for me here at the beautiful Eagle Base Villa. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this tour. Here has really been fantastic. I'm yet to see a villa in Tobago who has invited me to come and check it out and review it that I have not loved. And this place is no exception. A really large, beautiful property, extremely comfortable rooms, well maintained, really modern, really nice. I highly recommend it. Check them out if you're looking to book. Again, all the information down in my description. And guys, please like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I have a lot of content going on over there as well. But again, thank you very much. Hit that like button and I'll see you next week. Blessings.